So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of cake flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of fine desiccated coconuts. For your wet ingredients, you need 3 eggs, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a bowl, add in 1 cup of cake flour, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and a tablespoon of baking powder. In another bowl, add in your sugar, your oil, yogurt, teaspoon of vanilla, and your eggs. Whisk together all your wet ingredients. Pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and fold gently together. Do not overmix. Mix so well combined. Pour the mixture into a greased loaf pan and put it into your preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven.